Obviously gorgeous. You're gorgeous. And you certainly know how to shake your thing. But this is the superstars of dance, and I wanted to see more from you. Unfortunately, I have to get 6.
Whoa!
No, don't forget.
7 or 6.
English judge is right. I mean, I get such a smile because you are so sexy. However, I'm not sure that number
Missy.
has placed amongst all these other cultural numbers. Somehow for me it just does not go. I have to
I don't know what you did, but I think.
4.
How to keep at whoa, a 4! Fucking gay.
You're just mad because you don't want to play with you!
How to kill athlete foot 101.
Hey, Missy.
Tough one because how do you place you with everybody else? I'm gonna give you an 8.
Alright, he's straight. USA straight. Of course.
8, Carolina.